Fealty is a noun that refers to a solemn pledge of loyalty, allegiance, or fidelity, often associated with the relationship between a vassal and their lord in the feudal system. It denotes a deep, unwavering commitment to someone or something, such as a ruler, cause, or principle. Origins of fealty. The word fealty comes from the Old French Fealty, which itself stems from the Latin fidelitas, meaning faithfulness or loyalty. Its historical context is rooted in medieval Europe, where fealty was a formal oath sworn by a vassal to a lord, promising service and loyalty in exchange for protection and land. How to use fealty. While fealty retains its historical connotations, it is also used metaphorically in modern context to describe loyalty or allegiance to a person, organization, or ideal. It often conveys a sense of solemnity and devotion. Example sentences. The knight swore fealty to his king, pledging his life in service to the crown. Her fealty to the cause remained unshaken, even in the face of adversity. Modern employees may not swear fealty, but they often demonstrate loyalty to their company's mission. Similar words: loyalty, a strong feeling of support, or allegiance, a formal commitment to a leader, cause, or nation. Fidelity, faithfulness to a person, cause, or belief, demonstrated by continued loyalty. Nuances of fealty. Fealty carries a formal and historical weight, evoking images of medieval ceremonies and knightly oaths. Unlike casual loyalty, fealty implies a binding, almost sacred obligation. It's a term often used to emphasize deep, enduring devotion, whether literal or figurative. In essence, fealty represents a profound commitment underscoring the importance of trust, honor, and dedication in relationships or endeavors. Its historical roots remind us of the enduring value of loyalty in human connections and society. Subscribe